Properly understanding proper adjectives. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We're going to be delving into the fascinating world of adjectives, but not just any adjectives, proper adjectives. These are a specific type of adjectives that come from proper nouns. They're really useful and can make your English sound more advanced when used correctly. Proper adjectives, as the name implies, are derived from proper nouns. They usually describe a nationality, a place, a person, or anything that is associated with a specific name. For example, if we take the proper noun, America, the corresponding proper adjective would be American. Similarly, Shakespeare can turn into Shakespearean. Just like all adjectives, proper adjectives are used to modify nouns. For example, in the sentence, she wore a Victorian dress. Victorian is a proper adjective modifying the noun, dress. One important thing to remember is that proper adjectives always start with a capital letter, just like proper nouns. This helps to differentiate them from common adjectives in a sentence. So even in the middle of a sentence, if you're using a proper adjective, it should start with a capital letter. For example, they served Italian pasta at the dinner. Most proper adjectives are formed by adding a suffix to a proper noun. Common suffixes include n, en, n, sa, ish, ch, and sa. But remember, not all proper nouns can be transformed into a proper adjective, and not all transformations follow a set pattern. This is because the English language borrows a lot of words from different languages, so the rules can change based on the origin of the word. Some examples include Spanish, English, French, etc. Just like any other adjectives, proper adjectives can be used in various ways in sentences. They can be used before a noun, after a verb, or even after a noun. Here are some examples. We visited the French bakery down the street. Before a noun, the food tasted distinctly Italian. After a verb, the painting, Renaissance in style, was truly magnificent. After a noun, that brings us to the end of our lesson on proper adjectives. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're now more confident in using proper adjectives in your own writing and speech. Remember, proper adjectives are a fantastic tool to make your English more precise and interesting. So keep practicing, and you'll master them in no time. Until next time, happy learning!